sudah live. Sudah live, betul. Aku share dulu nih. Promosi terlebih dahulu. Oke, sebentar. Aku share dulu nih teman-teman.
Are you familiar with Schrodinger's cat? Until you decide what happens, everything is happening at once, like in Detroit.
Okay. Oke. Kita lanjut ke gameplaynya. Oke, let's go. Dan terakhir itu kita main sebagai Connor kalau nggak salah di kantornya Letnan Anderson terakhir. Oh ya Allah, pagi-pagi ini live nih. Daripada siang-siang panas pak, kalau siang-siang moodnya juga nggak enak. Mana nih? Kentang. Oke. Melanjutkan ceritanya si Kara. Stand up. Oke, come on. Ini kalau Android.
So it wasn't a nightmare.
No, it wasn't a nightmare. You must be starving. You should take a bath, and then we'll go out and find you something to eat. What do you say? Okay. I'll run you a bath.
Oke. Moodnya si Alice naik. Draw a bath. Mau mandi po si Alice. Yes. Ada bathtubnya ya. Enak ini kos-kosan kayak gini, motel. Oh, ngapain nih Kara? Kara, ngapain kamu Kara? Gunting itu. Oh, gunting rambut. Kirain mau dilepas juga kayak Markus. Apa Android itunya? Apa lingkarannya? Android lingkaran yang menandakan dia Android. gunting rambut. Blonde, white, black. Coba kita blonde. Oke, kalau white, putih, black. Kayak gimana black? Blonde aja nggak sih? Iya, ini aja deh. Iya betul, ini aja. Kan di remove juga loh itunya loh, lingkaran gituannya loh. Udah mulai sadar. Ih, Android kayaknya udah mulai sadar ya. Kok sepi nih? Go back to L. Stop belum sih? Kita stop aja apa? Ya udah stop deh. Cukup ya buat Alice. Ada yang nonton satu. Siapa tuh?
You're pretty like that. You really look like a human now.
Yap. Detroit today. Baca nggak bisa lagi baca, nggak bisa baca lagi. Kita baca dulu. Detroit today. Kanada. Oh, Kanada mah. Ada belum ada Android, teman-teman. Page 1. Cover dah. Oke. Ada beberapa informasi. Kalau kalian, oh ya ada 2 yang nonton. Ini kamar mandi, kocak. Orang lagi mandi ya. Jam 10 pagi. Oke. Jam 10 pagi. Kita ini aja deh baca. Lihat-lihat dulu ya kan. Cyber Wildlife. Ini mau bacaannya panjang banget, Pak. Wah, page one. Cover. Saya tidak baca yang panjang-panjang, takutnya kelamaan. Hello, Ajam. Zami. Draw. Oke. Keadaan sih masih aman-aman aja. Tadi ada 2 tuh, sekarang cuma 1. Wait for Alice. Halo Zamzami. Kamu kemarin kemana Zamzami? Ayo Alice, udah belum? Lama banget nih. Bocah mandi lama amat ya. Nggak ada kegiatan yang bisa dilakukan lagi kan? Loh. Take. Nyalain TV. Orang berenang next. Maraton. Oh, ini kayaknya scene beneran ya, bukan dari game. Nah, ini baru di game.
I'm joined by Corktown resident Todd Williams, who was violently attacked by his AX400 around 11 p.m. last night. Todd, can you tell us what happened?
I was having dinner. I was minding my own business.
Hah? Kok dia di...
Damn thing jumped on me. Managed to defend myself, but it went crazy. I thought it was gonna kill me. So I fought it off, but it ran away.
Thank you, Todd. Disturbing news for Android owners everywhere. Police have launched a search to find the android. Let's hope they find it fast.
Jadi kita kena tuduh lagi sama
It's not
manusia
true.
kan?
He's lying. He's the one who tried to hurt us.
Kan?
What are we gonna do? We have nowhere to go. And the police are looking for us now.
Family, kamu
Do you
punya?
have any family? Anyone who could help us?
No. It was just Dad.
Nggak punya keluarga lagi. Kontak Android, coba.
That android yesterday, he gave me an address. He said we could get help there. Could be worth a try. It's us
Sportif.
against the world, Alice. Just the two of us. We have to learn to trust each other. I only have you, and you only have me. And I'm going to do everything I can to make you happy again.
Suara gamenya kedengeran gak sih? Kalau nggak kedengeran bilang ya. Takutnya kekecilan suara gamenya.
Finish getting ready. I'll go out and find some food for you, and then we can get going.
Aduh. Udah ada polisi, Pak. Ada Connor.
Lieutenant Anderson, Detroit Police. Looking for a female android robbed a store down the road last night.
Connor sama Lieutenant Anderson.
No, I don't think androids here. Have you seen anyone that looks like this?
Fuck. I knew there was something weird about her.
She came in last night. She was dressed normal, you know? There was no way I could tell.
Is it still here?
Yeah, probably. Room 28.
Aduh.
Thank you.
Wah, kita jadi Connor sekarang. Oke.
Dan, yeah, still in the hotel. Sent some uniforms and cordon off the area. You wait in the car.
I think it's best if I go with you.
Listen, I'm tired of you talking back to me. You're a machine, so shut the fuck up and do what I say.
All I want is to accomplish my mission. I'm sorry if that upsets you.
You want to see the end of your mission? Stop busting my fucking balls.
Motel room 28. Wih, kameranya bisa diganti-ganti ya. Ayo Connor. Room 28. Aduh, kok dua pihak gini ya? Konsepnya dua pihak gini. Room 28. Ah, ini dia. Kamar 28. Nggak dikunci dong. Kok nggak dikunci sih?
It's gone.
Lah. Dia keluar dari mana? Reach train station. Oh. Hai. Duh, nih tegang nih, Pak. Tegang nih begini nih. Nggak bisa tengah jalan nggak bisa. Oke, itu 10%, 26% masih aman sih. Kita harus kesini. Nyebrang. Hide. Oke, aman. Ih. Oke, aman. Kita harus hold nih. Harus di hold itu. Oke, ayo. Ih. Oh. Tawan kah? Ih. Di sebelah banget. Tegang. Pinter banget. 67 meter lagi. Ini ada yang nonton siapa? Aduh. Ih, hampir ketahuan. Aman? Yes. Yuk, ayo jalan lagi. Oke. Dah. Lagi-lagi momentum ya kalau main beginian. Oke, selamat.
Are you okay?
Sekarang si Kara nih jadi buronan ya karena dituduh sama Tad. Sticknya geter ya? Enggak geter sticknya. Dari tadi belum ada geter sih. Biasanya kalau nembak atau ini dia PSK itu, iya PS ini. Ini yang ending yang pernah aku selesaikan. Yes. Yuk tanya-tanya aja nggak apa-apa, yuk di komen yuk biar aku nggak bosen. Ini baru geter nih sticknya. Markus. Sebenarnya yang kejar-kejaran sih lebih seru ya. Cuma ya lagi-lagi aku mencoba ending yang berbeda. Markus. Jericho tuh apa ya? Katanya suatu tempat. Tempat yang bisa kita Android ini tuh bebas gitu katanya sih, seperti itu. Ada homeless, Pak. Oke, kayak ada orang gitu. Ini dia. Ini nih. Ini betul nih. Ini dia. Ya ini benar ini. Iya. Ini ya. Ini lambang Jericho nih kayaknya nih. Clue update. Find this gravity. Oke. Kita teka-teki nih. Oke, yang penting ada lambang Jericho-nya. Lambang kayak kotak. Habis itu ada segitiganya. Segitiga di ujung-ujungnya. Turun kah? Boleh naik ini enggak? Oh, boleh. Harus sekolah? Enggak lah, aku udah kelar sekolah. Oh nice, jadi seru. Aku kan udah kelar sekolahnya. Udah ujian. Ah ini dia gravity-nya. Betul kan? Oke betul. Sama udah libur ya. Udah libur. Ada lagi. Ah ini dia. Nice. Oke, dapat clue baru. Ya update. Aduh. Gimana? Coba. Kayak ada tembok warna-warni gitu ya. Tembok warna-warni. Ah itu dia, tembok warna-warni. Betul kan ya? Yes, betul. Ini Jericho. Ini lambangnya, satu lagi, oke. Nice. Kamu nggak upload ini Kazam, konten lagi? Ada di, bukan di sini ternyata. Pokoknya ada pagar tralis gitu ya. Tralis apa? Kabel kawat. Pagar. Nah ini kah? Oh yes betul. Terus mana lagi nih? Lag terus. Hah? Lag kah? Benar kah? Apakah nge-lag? Crouch. Nah, ini mana lagi? Crash kadang-kadang. Oh, ini bisa kita pindahin nggak? Ah, bisa remove. Kalau record, oh, kamu record apa sih? Ya betul ini. Di laptop ya? Di PC ya? Game PC. In the next gravity, oke. Gravity-nya selanjutnya ada di muka orang. Nah itu dia. Gampang sekali clue-nya. Oke, ada lagi kah? Find a way to reach rooftop. Lewat mana ya? Nggak bisa naik lagi dah. Lewat mana ya? Di atap, lewat atap lewat mana? Sini kah? Bukan. Ke atap, kan suruh ke atap. Ini kah? Kayaknya ini nih, tong sampah akan bener. Tarik. Oh. Oke, mantap. Kita naik ya. Oh naiknya aja harus diangkat pak, sticknya pak. Harus digerakin ke atas. Apakah ada tanda lagi? Nggak ada tanda lagi sih. Oh ini. Satu lagi di mana ya? Atu lagi. Belum bisa ke sana. Kita harus nyari clue satu lagi. Harusnya sih di sekitar sini ya. Nggak ada ya. Ah, ini ya ampun, itu nggak kelihatan loh. Kayak tembok merah. Oke, Markus. Lompat nih. Reconstruct dulu kita. Coba dari sini. Set. Set. Oke, commit. Execute. Moga-moga nggak ada event. Oke. Kirain aku ada momen-momen kayak harus mencet-mencet gitu. Grafitinya oke. Ada tulisan kuning gitu. Drop. Oke. Lanjut lagi. Itu dia. Ini dia lambangnya 1. Ini 2. 1 lagi. Di mana 1 lagi? Kadang suka sembunyi gitu loh. Tuh kan? Ini. Oke. Harus naik sana tuh kayaknya. Reconstruct. Kalau dari sini, set. Apakah bisa atau tidak? Kayak bisa. Naik sini bisa. Kalau ke sini bisa nggak? Set. Lah. Oke, try another way. Sini bisa nih kayaknya. Oke, nice. Jago juga nih parkour nih bocah nih, Markus. Langsung lah ke sini. Lah. It will be high. Terlalu tinggi katanya. Iya, udah, nggak ada jalan lagi dah. Oke, execute. Let's go. Jago juga parkurnya, Pak. Oke, mantap. Coba beberapa detik doang loh buat naik ke sini loh. Kayak ada rongga. Ini kah rongga ini kah? Yap. Oke. Simbolnya gede banget. Oke, kayak ada kayu, batu, reruntuhan. Oh, ini udah pasti ini. Tenang. Jago udah kenyang saya game-game puzzle kayak gini. Yuk. Di share apa? Di share dulu, di share. Ayo di share. Oh, ini udah. Jericho. Markasnya para android kah? Jericho. Symbols found. Reach the bot. Kaget aku, astagfirullahaladzim. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. Game. Ya ampun. Kadang suka jump scare. Bukan jump scare itu, tapi apa ya? Kaget aja gitu tiba-tiba dong kayak gitu. Jembatan sas. Kadang emang ini game kadang suka buat apa, kaget. Ada elemen-elemen. Ayo. Lihat grafiknya bagus loh, ini game bagus loh. Salah satu game gratis di PlayStation Megapack waktu diskon. Lah kok jatuh? Air. Nah. Oh iya, air. Ada auto save. Oh, klaimnya harus gitu, Pak. Bagus loh dari visual. Ceritanya juga bagus. Ringin sticknya harus dimeringin gitu loh. Kayak berasa muter jadi kitanya. Jericho examine center. Oh, harus digoyang-goyangin gitu sticknya. Boleh. Pada kemana nih, kok sepi ya? Open sesame. Spiderman kalah. Makanya sepi banget. Suara apa itu? Ini bisa dibuka? Nggak bisa. Kayaknya bangkai kapal ya. Dari kiri sih suaranya sih itu sih. Push. Nggak ada apa-apa. Tuh, sekarang dari kanan loh. Hah? Kok ada majalah? Cyberlife Fortune, seller komputer. Kayaknya penting sih ini sih. Tapi aku malas bacanya, ya sudahlah. Aku harus bacanya. Android astronaut to explore. Sampai udah ada Android loh, Android astronot Android. Wah, manusia sih udah bakal dikuasai sama Android sih. Bentar. Jadi kita mana nih, kemana? Oke, kita kesini. Ini bisa dibuka? Oh, bisa. Open? Terus saja tidak bisa. Kita lanjut lagi. Sepi bener ini nih. Cuma Sam-Sami doang nih yang nonton nih. Gimana sih nih? Pada kemana nih? Astagfirullahaladzim. Jangan gitulah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Jangan gitulah. Enggak, rusuh banget loh ini loh. Oh ya ampun. Keringetan main. Keringetan loh, pagi-pagi udah keringetan aja. Padahal cuma duduk main dah gitu doang. Aduh ya ampun. Sisas. Ya. Au. Sakit itu. Langsung bisa berdiri. Sakit itu belakangnya, tulang punggungnya. Kalau manusia ya. Udah rapuh, iya. Siapa ini? Ini siapa ini?
Welcome to Jericho.
Welcome to Jericho. Oke. Kita sampai di Jericho. Oke. Nggak, itu poin, total poin buat apa ya? Event, death, success, failure. Si android body. Ini ada secret nih. Ada secret. Aku nggak nemu secretnya. Lanjut. Siapa? Connor? Oke. Connor.
Plastic with you.
Plastic with you.
Listen, I got a shit hot tip for you. Number 5 in the third.
Chicken.
Getting split.
Feed.
Billy's one hell of a chaser.
Spiderman man. Itu bener man. Spiderman kalah tegang. Spiderman kalah tegang.
Come on, this is different. It's 100% guaranteed. You can't go wrong.
Kita scan dulu orang ini. Apakah orang baik? Oh, criminal record, illegal gambling. Ini kriminal loh. Dia kriminal loh.
Alright, I'm in.
Damn straight. Hey, you won't regret this.
Udah males aja bawaannya.
Don't you ever do as you're told? Look, you don't have to follow me around like a poodle.
I'm sorry for my behavior back at the police station. I didn't mean to be unpleasant.
Paket. Ayo bang. Paket bang. Paling senang tuh kalau paket datang.
Here you go.
Here you go. Aduh, bisa di scan loh. Apa-apa di scan nih sama Android beginian nih. Setelah 30 menitan. Iya, bolong ceritanya jadinya. Oke. Ini minuman soda. Jadi nggak ada yang berbahaya. Ini orang. Criminal record. Kriminal juga loh dia loh. Banyak banget kriminal. Gue sambil makan ngap. Oke.
I'll leave that thing here.
Tak pe.
Not a chance. Follows me everywhere.
Sih.
Your meal contains 1.4 times the recommended daily intake of calories, and twice the cholesterol level. You shouldn't eat that.
Everybody's got to die of something.
Kolesterol, Pak.
I don't
Company.
want to alarm you, Lieutenant, but I think your friends are engaged in illegal activities.
Everybody does what they have to get by. As long as they're not hurting anybody, I don't bother them.
Benar-benar. Katanya selama tidak mengganggu.
Is there
About
anything you'd
Connor.
like to know about me?
Hell no. Well, yeah. Why do they make you look so goofy and give you that weird voice?
CyberLife androids are designed to work harmoniously with humans. Both my appearance and voice were specifically designed to facilitate my integration.
Well, they fucked up.
Ini Connor ini salah satu siapa ya?
Maybe I should tell you what we know about deviants.
You read my mind. Proceed.
We believe that a mutation occurs in the software of some androids, which can lead to them emulating a human emotion.
In English, please.
They don't really feel emotions. They just get overwhelmed by irrational instructions.
Siapa ya ini
which can lead
aktornya
to
nih?
unpredictable behavior.
Aktor terkenal juga nih yang jadi Connor.
Emotions always screw everything.
Siapa ya? Ya ampun.
The androids aren't as different from us as we thought.
Can I ask you a
Android.
personal question, Lieutenant? Why do you hate androids so much?
I have my reasons. You ever dealt with deviants before?
Ah,
A few months back, a deviant was threatening to jump off the roof with a little girl. I managed to save her.
siapa lupa aku deh ini deh.
I guess you've done all
Dia
your
pasti
homework.
Connor itu ya ampun.
Know everything there is to know about me.
Ini game bagus loh.
I know you graduated top of
True.
your class. You made a name for yourself in several cases and became the youngest lieutenant in Detroit. I also know you've received several disciplinary warnings in recent years, and you spend a lot of time in bars.
So what's your conclusion?
I know you're an experienced officer, and I'd like to earn your trust. I'm sure we can
Oke.
solve this case if we manage to work together.
Ayo mau dong, Hank. Oke. Warm.
I just got a report of a suspected deviant. It's a few blocks away. You should go have a look. I'll let you finish your meal. I'll be in the car if you need me.
Sudah mulai percaya ya si Hank kepada Connor ini.
Hey, Connor. You run out of batteries or what?
I'm sorry. I was making a report to Cyber.
Ada baterainya apa gimana ya? Kalau Android begini.
No, I'm coming.
Lucu aja begitu.
Not much. Just that a neighbor reported that he heard strange noises coming from this floor. Nobody's supposed to be living here, but the neighbor said he saw a man hiding an LED under his cap.
Christ,
Nah,
if we
di
have to
sini, di
investigate
sini.
every time somebody hears a strange noise, we're gonna need more cops.
Ketok lagi.
Anybody home?
Bingung dia.
Detroit police!
Stay behind me.
Got it.
Dobrak. Aduh, musiknya tegang, Pak. Kok musiknya tegang? Kita baca-baca dulu, tenang. Kita baca-baca dulu, santai aja. Red eyes. Past tipping point. Green earth. Oke, sini ada apa, Heng? Oi. Oi.
What the fuck is this?
Banyak burung loh. Banyak banget burungnya.
Looks like we came for nothing. Our man's gone.
Nope. Coba kita lihat-lihat dulu. Ini kayak habis ditempel nih, baru ditempel atau enggak habis biasa disobek gitu ya. Habis disobek kayak pernah dicopot pasang, copot pasang. Remove. Android punya ketelitian, kecerdasan ya begitulah. Bros. Bahasa apa itu?
Found something?
Found
I don't
something?
know. It looks like a notebook, but it's indecipherable.
Sampel. Blue blood. Android. Loh. Ini apa? LED. Oh, ini bekas Android.
Its LED is in the sink.
Suspect is Deviant. Iya, betul. RA9. RA9. Apa ya RA9 ya?
Any idea what it means?
RA9. Written
RA9.
2,471 times. It's the same sign Ortiz's android wrote on the shower wall. Why are they obsessed with this sign?
Looks like mazes or something.
Kursi jatuh. Buat naik apa gimana nih? Oke. Ada lagi yang bisa di scan. Kok nggak ada? Ini apa ini? Pulpen reconstruct. Ini apa nih? Orangnya nulis. Oke. Jadi pas dia lagi nulis tiba-tiba ada yang ngetok kan, kita kan yang ngetok kan. Detroit Police, dia jatuh. Blar, itulah suara jatuh tadi ya kan. Nah, habis itu dia kemana? Habis itu dia lari kan keluar. Oke. Nah, seperti ingin spiller apa tuh? Tapi nggak jadi dengan bilang apa ya? Gimana maksudnya? Anda seperti ingin spoiler, tapi nggak jadi dengan bilang apa ya? Spoiler gimana tuh? Kebaca.
RT. Probably initials.
Enggak, RA9.
Initials in his jacket.
Apa ya RA9 ya? Tali. Iya, metal hook. Lecet. Reconstruct. Gini nih bosan nih, tapi pas tegang-tegangnya mah seru. Oke, jadi pelakunya nabrak beginian. Oke. Nabrak begini, tak. Prang. Kandang burungnya jatuh. Ini ada yang bisa dianalisis gak? Ini dia. Oke. Oh. Coba. Ya ampun, panik amat ya kayaknya ya dia. Masuk. Set. Panik dia ini. Sampai kesandung kursi. Oke. Oke. Suspect still here.
That's something your mom does when you're in first grade.
Examine. Kan bener kan?
Goddamn fucking pigeons! What are you waiting for? Chase it!
Oke, kejar-kejaran, seru nih. Seru nih. Kejar-kejaran nih. Hop. Seru Pak. Wah ini sih fast but risky, bodoh amat. Kejar terus. Balance. Kita yang balance. Oke. Save deter, bodoh amat. Ya save aja deh. Ini momen-momen gini. Ih, silang. Oke. Mana dia? Ah, itu dia. Aduh. Ah, ini keluar. Sono kocak ngapa kesini? Pas. Yang cepet. Mantap gak tuh? Oke, ada momentum nggak? Ih. Silang. Oke, mantap. Tegas. Oke. Nice. Nggak boleh gagal ya. First strike harus. Ayo. Bodoh amat. Awas bang. Seru ini kejar-kejarannya. Oh. Save hang. Save aja. Save aja.
Fuck. It's my fault. I should have been faster.
You'd have caught it if it weren't for me.
Oke, jadi temennya kan?
We know what it looks like. We'll find it. Hey, Connor. Nothing.
Nggak apa-apa nggak dapet, tapi Hank selamat. Walaupun chance selamatnya itu 86% tadi. Berapa persen ya? 80% lah. Ada dua kemungkinan, ya kan? Antara nggak save Hank, Robert got away, atau dapet kayaknya. Ini dapet nih kayaknya ending ini nih. Aku juga belum pernah dapet ending kayak gitu. Welcome to Jericho. Iya kan, bener kan? Jericho, tempatnya android.
Who are you? Fugitives. Just like you. My name is Josh. I'm Simon.
North.
This is Jericho?
It's a refuge for those who don't want to be slaves anymore.
And hiding just to stay alive, that's freedom to you?
Humans hate us. Hiding is the only way we can survive.
There is no
Okay,
safe place
betul.
for those like us. If humans knew we were here, they'd kill us.
Betul. Android.
How many are here?
There are 19 of us still in working order.
90 pak.
The rest were damaged escaping.
19 19
Humans have little.
kirain 90 kan 90.
I understand how you feel, but we have more freedom here than you ever did.
I came to Jericho looking for hope. Looks like I'm not gonna find any here.
You're lost. Just like the rest of us. We didn't ask for this. All we can do now is deal with it.
Udah kayak manusia ya, android
Safe
ini.
here. You can stay with us as long as you want.
Go and see Lucy. She might be able to help you.
Ada luka. Find Lucy. Explore Jericho. Sok. Seru tuh, emang ini game seru. Cuma yang gini-gininya bosen emang. Emang bosen apa untuk memahami jalan ceritanya.
What happened to you? They tied me to the back of a car. I think they wanted to have fun.
Oh, dimain-mainin ya dia. Dan suku cadang di sini juga tipis, jadi ya banyak android yang rusak seperti itu. Kita ngobrol-ngobrol dulu ya kan. Start fire. Dari mana itu korek? Wih, 4 cok yang banyak juga. Alhamdulillah ada juga yang nonton loh, 4 loh. Kemarin sepi soalnya 0 kemarin.
Do you know what happens after death?
No, I don't.
Well, I'm about to find out. What's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus.
I was glad to meet you, Marcus.
Lah, kok diam? Lah. Lah kok diam? Rusak apa? Lah, kocak. Explore, kita explore dulu. Santai aja kita main. Nggak usah terburu-buru. Hal kecil ini bisa menjadi besar gitu di game ini. Gara-gara nyalain korek, dapat perhatian. Android bisa merasakan dingin ya, robot ya. Start fire. Udah sejam nggak berasa. Kayak ini siapa? Ini siapa ini? North. Oke. Sign here.
Have you been here?
4 weeks, 3 days, 11 hours.
Dia tahu
When I
detil.
escaped, there was no rest of thought. Jericho seemed as good a place as any.
What was your function before coming here?
Bro, ya.
What do you care?
Salah milih lagi dah. Lo kalau live streaming,
When these guys need spare parts and blue blood, why hasn't anybody gone to get them?
It's not that simple. Can't just go shopping at a cyber life store.
HP lu berada di sisi lu atau nggak ada?
You came here for comfort, you came to the wrong place.
North. Habis itu ada siapa lagi nih? Ini Blue Blood ya? Udah habis suku cadangnya kan, bener? Game kayak gini bisa di pause gak bisa? Nggak kayak FF. Bisa ini di pause. Yeay. Bisa ini di pause. Lalu kita udah ya, udah nggak ada apa-apa lagi ya. Oke, kita cari Lucy dulu deh. Ini siapa yang nyanyi? Lah. Ini apa nih maksudnya nih? Kabel-kabel begini.
Are you Lucy?
Are you Lucy?
Sit down.
Sit down. Duduk.
Show me.
Leave. 3 orang siapa nih? Luka dia.
I'll stop the bleeding.
Luka. Gara-gara apa ya? Oh, kirain. Bukannya orang mah pakai S ya kalau orang ya? Ada stok blue blood.
Drink this.
Bisa minum juga Android. Drink, minum. Wait, mau ganti mau ganti ke laptop, oke. No problem. Get up.
Give me your hand.
Give me your hand.
You had it all.
Had it all.
You lost it all.
You lost it all.
You've seen hell, and now hell lives in you. Your heart is troubled. A part of shadow and a part of light. Which will prevail?
Kayak dokternya ya ini ya.
Your choices will shape your destiny.
Oke, kita lanjut lagi. Propose a plan to Simon. Simon mana yang pakai jas tadi ya? Kalau nggak salah. Simon mana? Lihat tuh. Ini dia Simon.
I know where we can find spare parts. CyberLife warehouses in the Detroit Harbor. They have everything we need.
The docks are guarded. We can't just walk in there and take what we want. Humans will never let us.
Which is why we won't ask permission.
We don't have any weapons. And even if we did, none of us knows how to fight.
We can steal what we need without fighting.
We'll just get ourselves killed.
Maybe. But it's better than waiting here to be shut down.
I'm with you.
Oke.
Maybe it's worth a try.
Josh. Oke. Men. Markus membawa perubahan ya di Jericho ini. Kita lanjut ke ceritanya si Kara dan si siapa ini anak-anak ini, Alice. Aduh. kenapa harus ke rumah begini lagi? Kan ada rumah banyak ya, kenapa harus rumah begini gitu? Creepy tau. Tempat-tempat kayak gini. Aduh, Kara nyari masalah aja lu, kocak, jangan kesini lah. Ya mau gimana lagi ya kan. Yuk, pencet terus. Kebudek. Alah kan.
Use lock code?
Who's asking?
I was told you could help us.
I don't know who told you that. You came to the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Wait! We really need your help.
Assalamualaikum Pak. Waalaikumsalam. Kok dia ngelihat ke Elis habis itu langsung
Come in.
boleh ya? Langsung dibolehin ya? Dari muka-mukanya aja udah nggak bener nih orang. Ini muka-mukanya udah nggak bener nih.
Come on in. Don't be shy.
Tuh. Follow Zlatko.
Luther, would you be so kind as to take these ladies' coats?
Luther, hey.
Don't be afraid of a big friend. Luther is just another android that I helped. He keeps me company in this big, empty old house. Please, make yourselves at home.
Anggap aja rumah sendiri katanya.
How did you hear about me?
An android. On the street, he said you could help us.
I see. Deviant, huh? What about her?
She's human.
And you want to find a safe place. Somewhere you can start a new life. I hear Canada is very lovely this time of year.
Iya,
Beautiful
Kanada
landscapes,
yang masih
spaces,
bebas dari Android.
clean air, and no Android laws.
Iya, betul.
Great place for a fresh start.
Yes, that's exactly what we want.
Of course.
Of course.
I can help you. But first, we have to get rid of your tracker.
Tracker?
Yeah.
Nah,
All
what?
androids are fitted with a tracking device to locate them at all times. I'll remove yours, and then you'll both be safe. Come on.
Oh, katanya trackernya mau dicabut. Katanya ada tracker di setiap Android.
The little one can
Katanya.
wait for us in the living room.
Tapi nggak tahu.
She always stays with me.
Of course.
Katanya
Right
sih
this way.
bakal.
Everything we need is in the basement.
Nanti aku nontonnya pas udah mau tamat lah. Lah, gimana? Nggak seru lah. Ini juga ada tegang-tegangnya nih di sini.
I don't like this place.
Soalnya bosan dari kemarin, makanya nonton dari awal.
I have a bad feeling.
Tadi
Trust us. We have to be careful.
soalnya bosan dari kemarin. Makanya kocak kalau nonton dari awal. Tadi tegang loh. Seru tadi itu kejar-kejaran. Ntar endingnya aku bikin seru lah.
No. No, she'll be alright.
Kok ada penjara bawah tanahnya ya? ada penjara bawah tanah gitu. Oh, oke.
If you could just stand over there.
Nggak ada dah. Ini dua siapa ya? Kok nggak komen? Komen lah, absen.
I should warn you, this could be quite unpleasant.
Lah, kok diangkat gitu?
You know what's strange?
Elvis mana?
For some unknown reason, the trackers seem to stop working in Deviants. That's why it's so hard to find them. So, actually, there's no reason to remove your tracker.
Oh, terus?
You said that.
Yeah,
Lu mau ngapain?
believe what they want. You Deviants are so naive. They'll come to me expecting me to help them. And I just reset them and sell them on.
What?
Or I keep them for my little experiments.
No! No! I don't want to be reset! Let me go!
Oh, I forgot about that child. Lock it up. I'll deal with it later.
Kita mau disiret lagi, mau di reset.
A deviant that wants to be a mother. That's so sweet. And so deluded. I think it's time we put you out of your misery.
Oh. Kita mau di reset katanya. Udah dibor aja tuh belakang. Reset 1%. 2% lama juga ya resetnya ya. Wah, lu sih nggak bener sih lu. Wah, kaki dipegang juga lagi nih. No more pain.
Almost enemy.
Uh-oh.
Oh, poor little lads. Oh, looks like
Memory corruption detected.
Looks like Mommy's completely forgotten you.
Carl, what happened to you?
All right, that's enough. Come on.
Diapain itu, woi?
I'm gonna teach you some manners, you little bitch.
Carl! Wake up, Carl!
Bang, bantuin apa, Bang?
Meet me in the living room.
Living room. Hah? What? Maksudnya? Meet me in living room. Find way to escape. Aduh, 33%. Yellow dulu deh, coba deh. Yang dekat. Coba yang hijau. Up. Tarik. Tumpah minumannya. Masih berapa persen? Udah 79%. Blue cable. L1 pull. Mana lagi ini? Alamak kan. Ya. Udah kapus gitu. Udah ke reset kita ya. Gagal. Aduh. Gagal lagi. Oke, memori kita kembali. Kayak ada orang dalam situ. Hey.
Erased her memory. No. This can't be happening. You have to remember. For her sake.
He likes to play with us. Creating monsters. For his amusement.
Kemana, Pak? Pada kemana nih?
He did to us.
Dia suka eksperimen android ternyata.
You must remember who you are. Otherwise the little one will die.
Ngaco nih orang. Ngaco nih si Zlatko nih. Kunci. Ya udah nggak ada jalan lain.
Master's dinner's ready. Take it up to him.
Yes, Luther.
Kemana?
Make yourselves at home.
Risetnya nggak begitu sempurna ya. Nggak, dia di mana sih?
Just set it down on the table over there.
Bocah lagi ngapain? Coba. Di mana? Zlatko yang jelas apa? Oke. Banyak juga makannya.
Get rid of that carcass. Take it next door. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Zlatko.
Kita harus
Luther!
Peace on
Luther!
Luther.
Yes, sir. We should be done here in 10 minutes or so. Have a look at the little one, see what I can do. Understood, sir. I'll bring you the little one in 10 minutes.
Ah, ada Alice. Waktu kita cuma 10 menit. 10 menit buat Where's the little girl? Little girl. Little girl. Girl. Little girl. Little girl. Girl. Ah, dia juga pakai narkoba. Si Zlatko. My name is Carl. Lo.
Has the master authorized you to be here? You must always obey the master. Oh yes, you must always obey. You should not be here. You have no business here. No, you have no business here. If you have no orders, you should go on standby. Oh yes, you must obey. Yes, you must obey. Yes, you must obey.
Error lu.
You should not be here. You should.
I'm sorry.
Dimana si Alice? Waktu tinggal 8 menit lagi. Nggak ada waktu untuk buat baca-baca, nggak ada. Habis, nggak ada. Dimana Alice ini, cowok? Examine Alice in Wonderland. Ah, bukunya. My name is Kara. Kok bisa ya risetnya nggak sempurna apa gimana? Berapa menit? 7 menit. Lu malah nyalain TV. Heran. Matiin. Perlambat waktu aja. Cek koridor. Berarti hanya tinggal 1 ruangan lagi. Ah, itu dia kan.
Clara, you remember me? How could I forget you? I'm so sorry.
Yang nonton 2.
We have to get out. Follow me and don't make any noise, okay?
Tapi yang komen dikit nih.
Yes, sir. I'm finished here. Go fetch the little one. Right away, sir.
Masuk sini. Hide. Mana sini. Masuk.
Not go. What? The little one is gone. The cannon just disappeared. Gotta be here somewhere.
Di kananku dia.
What are you waiting for? Go look.
Dia di sini. Tuh dia.
What the fuck are you doing? Come here. Coming!
Oke, aman.
They're searching the house. We've got to get out before they find us.
Bedroom.
Luther! Find him, for fuck's sake!
Masuk. Aman. Ternyata aman. Ayo. Buka pintunya.
There you are. No more hide and seek for you.
Tegang nih. Ganjel. Seru ini, Pak. Ini seru nih.
There's no point in running. You can't escape from me.
Oh, mati lu ya. Cepetan lari. Iya. Luther nggak bisa lari ya? Awas kena keringetan ini tangan. Backdoor. Pintu belakang aja. Tadi kan dikunci kotak. Oke, selamat kah?
I warned you. Dreams always end in tears. You should have listened to me. What are you doing? Get out of my way.
No. Not this time.
I said get out of my way or I'll shoot right through you. How dare you?
Uh-oh.
What are you doing? Who let you out? Get away from me! Get away from me! Obey me! I'm your master! I'm your master!
I didn't want to hurt you. He programmed me to obey him. When I saw the little one risk her life to save you, it was like opening my eyes for the first time. Finally, I could see. I know you have no reason to trust me after what I did. But I know someone who could help you across the border. I could take you there. I could protect you. You and the little one.
All right. I trust you.
Oke, kelar. Aku juga kelar deh live streamingnya deh. Sudah 1,5 jam juga. Akhirnya kelar juga. Oke, udah kelar deh. Udah ya. Live streamingnya gitu aja. Ya. Oke. Udah deh.